Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USB drive to your Samsung TV so you can view the images and stuff like that. So on the back of your TV, there should be a USB area to connect this. So I can see it right here. I'm just going to connect my USB drive and I'm going to flip it around and it should connect. Now we can go to the front of the TV and it should pop up for us already. So I didn't do anything and it popped up for me. If you are having an issue, you might need to format your USB drive to exFAT using a computer. You just go to the File Explorer, go to Format, and there should be an option called File System. Change it from NTFS to exFAT. Now, if for some reason it's still not coming up, go to Settings and go on over to Connected Devices right here. Go to your disk. So you can see disk 20, that's my USB drive. And I got a bunch of different things on here. I got some pictures and stuff. So let's go to one of these pictures and just select it. And it'll come up on your TV. So if you're trying to entertain some guests or just want to view your images or something like that, you got all your, oh my gosh, look at that. You got all your images and your videos on here. And I got my PlayStation 4 stuff from my Share Factory video clips and screenshots from Minecraft. So it's very easy to connect this to your TV. Just plug it in the back and just see what pops up. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.